Freedom is not given, it is taken. Each and every word said by Subhash Chandra Bose, a true patriot, inspired millions even today. On 23rd January 1897, this hero was born with dream of free India and considered as one of the greatest leaders ever born. Good morning everyone present here. This is Meenakshi Chaudhary standing before you to speak on the occasion of Subhash Chandra Bose Jayanti. Every year on 23rd January, Subhash Chandra Bose's birthday is celebrated across various parts of the country to commemorate his contribution to India's struggle for independence. Subhash Chandra Bose was one of the India's most revered freedom fighters and played a pivotal role in India's freedom movement. He was a renowned Indian revolutionary and nationalist. He fought with bravery against the British rule. He became a member of the Indian National Congress. Also, in 1939, he became the party president, but soon he resigned from this post. He was also recognized as the person who founded the Azad Hind Army or Indian National Army with the help of Japan in 1942. During World War II, Bose took the support of Nazi Germany and Japan to counter the British in India. People called him Netaji because he led them on the right path. He openly called upon the youth of the country to come together and fight for the independence. His iconic call to youth, saying, "Give me blood and I will give you freedom," was an urge to people to join him in his mission of independence. Subhash Babu inspired the youth to rise and fight for freedom, and an unforgettable national hero sacrificed his whole life for the country. Thank you. Jai Hind.